Today I'm going to share with you 6 tips to get your home ready for a home inspection. Number 1, declutter and clean. The reason why we declutter and clean, it leaves a very good first impression for the inspector, the realtor, and their buyers. Next, make sure all your major systems are operating, such as your AC system, pool system, and sprinkler system, also looking for leaks. Now, what do I mean by that? First, it's always nice to make sure everything is nice and clean for the inspector. It looks like you maintain it on a regular basis, along with changing out the filter. I strongly encourage that you have a professional come out and verify everything is in working order on your AC system. Next, test all the appliances and make sure they're all in working order. Now, what do I mean by testing your appliances? I know we live in South Florida and most people like to make reservations rather than cook, but it is important when you're selling your house to make sure that all of your appliances are working. Yep, these burners are good. Check for minor repairs. Now, in the bathrooms and kitchens, turn on all the faucets. Make sure everything has a nice flow to it. Check the stoppers. Are they stopping the water? And does the water go away when you turn off the sink? Next, look underneath the sinks. Make sure that the inspector has access to be able to look at the plumbing. Any signs of leaks? My next minor repair is make sure the fans are all working and the lights all have light bulbs in them. We see that quite often. The inspector may say that it doesn't work, when in reality it just needs a light bulb. My next pro tip has to do with windows and blinds. Walk around the house and make sure all the blinds actually open. When was the last time you opened up your window in South Florida? It's too god-awful hot here. We never open them. I hope this works. Yay, it does. So make sure, walk around the house, all your windows open and close with ease. If not, get them taken care of before the inspection. Make sure you have easy access for the inspector. Now, what do I mean by easy access? The attic. He can't get in with the car in the way. Make sure you have the car moved. And here's another popular spot. Most people have a lot of stuff in front of their box. Make sure that the area is clear enough for him to be able to open up the electric panel. Now let's take a look at the pool system. Go ahead and turn on the pump, turn on the switch, and look to see if there are any leaks or any problems. The sprinkler system, turn it on, see if it's working, and see if you see any leaks from the different valves. You can bring it through the whole cycles and see if you see any leaks. Next, look at roofs and gutters. Now, what do I mean to look at roofs and gutters? What I would do is walk around the perimeter of the house and look for any signs that there could be a potential leak. Here's one indication. Come a little closer. Look up at that blue piece of tape, and on that fascia board on the flat side, there's a little brown dot. That could be an indication of a roof leak. Next, come over to the gutters. Are they properly connected to the gutter system, and are they flowing and going out as they're supposed to? Here's another indicator you might have a roof leak. Look at the corner of this. If you see real closely, that's wood rot. Indication of potential leak and just wood rot.